Unlocking the mysteries of heat sources. Welcome to the scorching world of heat. It's an invisible force, but its impact on our lives is undeniable. In our homes, heat is a comforting presence, often emanating from a central heating system or a crackling fireplace. Turning to the natural world, the sun serves as the primary source of heat, fueling life on Earth with its warmth. But heat isn't always friendly. Consider the destructive force of a forest fire or the scalding flow of molten lava. Industrially, heat is harnessed for power. Think of the fiery blast furnaces of steel mills or the steam-driven turbines in power plants. In the culinary world, heat transforms raw ingredients into delightful dishes. From stovetops to ovens, heat is a chef's best friend. Join us as we explore these sources of heat, uncovering their secrets and understanding their powerful role in our world.